need to reset the sound setting. And now the TV is checking itself. And now press down. You need to select Set Diagnosis. And this time you will see the sound test function here. Go to that button. Okay everyone, and today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung Smart TV show picture but no sound. Okay, there will be a few ways that you can find out by yourself with your TV. Okay, now let's go together. First of all, you can just try simple thing is turn your volume up. Maybe you accidentally turn down your volume to 0 by another people. Secondly, if you connect the TV to the external device, check on them. For example, if you connect the HDMI to another sound device, so the sound will go to that device. Okay, if you connect the external device, so now just go to the TV setting to check out the sound output. First of all, press the home button and go all the way to the left. Select to the setting. And now go to sound. And here you can select sound output. If you connect to another device, you will see the output device list on here. And now just try to change it to the TV speaker first. And then we gonna try to test the speaker together. Let's exit to the home screen. And this time when you change the sound output to the TV speaker, I hope you disconnect the external device. If you are connected to the external device, disconnect everything. We test only to the TV performance first. And now go to the setting once more time. This time you need to go to support. Select on it and go to device care. And now the TV is checking itself. And now press down. You need to select Set Diagnosis. And this time you will see the sound test function here. Go to that button. Select on it. Okay, now the sound is playing on the background, and now I turn the volume down to 0. So all you need to do just turn on the volume. Okay, I hope you can hear the volume come from the TV. And then you now answer to the TV. Is the TV speaker output is normal or not? Okay, and if it works to normal, you just press yes. But if there's no sound that come from the TV, just press no. Now I'm gonna try to press no for your information. Okay, and it suggests you to contact the Samsung call center, and they provide you some information of the TV model code, software version and serial number. Okay, so you can see on your TV screen the different TV have the different model codes, software version, and different with the serial number. Okay, now let's close it. Okay, and if it's still not have, I suggest you. Okay, now just go to the TV setting once more time. Go to support. Try to check for the software update. check for update. Okay, after you got the latest version, and now try the sound test like a previous step once more time, and if it's not help, now let's go to the sound setting once again. Select on it, go to expert setting, and this time you need to reset the sound setting. Just select on it, reset sound setting. Okay, after reset the sound setting, I hope you try to sell your notes, test the sound once more time in the previous step that we show. Okay, and I hope this time the problem will solve to your TV. And finally, if there is no way that you can fetch the no sound output to your Samsung Smart TV, I suggest for the final solution, reset your TV to the factory default. Okay, so now to reset your factory setting, go to general, and this time you will see the word reset. Select on it and enter the pin. So the default pin is shown on the TV screen. You can input the default built-in pin to your TV, and after that select reset to the factory default. Select on it. So now I'm not gonna reset my TV, and if you want to reset your TV for more detail, check out the link in the description how to reset your Samsung Smart TV to the factory default. Okay, so I hope all the steps that I show in this video will help one solution that help you to get the sound back to your Samsung Smart TV. And now good luck, bye bye, and have a nice day.